Hello everyone, this is Chris Morse, and we're continuing here with our advanced training series. This is lesson 21. We're going to be talking about text content conditions. First we'll go over what the purpose of a text content condition is, and then we'll go into how to create one. The purpose of a text content condition basically allows the user a way to display text in a cell based on the condition of a tag. To do the lesson you need at least a state tag, any kind of tag that you can do a comparison on. So go into your VT3000 web page, open up virtual panels. Once you're on virtual panels, go ahead and click on panels. You can set up a content condition for combo, performance, or an and-on panel. I've got one set up here for content. Go ahead and edit that. Basically want to go to the layout. As you can see here, I've got, these are my alarms, supervisor, maintenance, and materials. So click on the cell. Go down here at the bottom, click on conditions. You're going to select the content cell, or tab, sorry. And then we're going to click on the add content condition. And so basically that was my supervisor. So I'm going to say if my supervisor state equals 1, which means it's set. I want to go in here and say supervisor set. Then hit OK to save that. Can add another one. Say if my supervisor state equals 2, supervisor acknowledged. And hit OK. So then you can close this. Now you notice your conditions button says there's 2. I'm going to go ahead and change the font size on this just so everything will fit. Basically do a save and exit. View the panel. And we've got this materials ones look good. Doing a color condition here. Basically what we'll do is we'll select our virtual panel. our virtual input device. And we'll click on supervisor, which will set the alarm. And see here it says supervisor set. Once we acknowledge, this will change over to supervisor acknowledged. There's that. And when we clear it, it'll go back to no text showing. That'll take care of the content for text. Go to our summary. Purpose of a text content, display text in the cell based on tag value. When you set that up, you got a left comparator, the symbol, the right comparator, the result type, which is text in this case, and the result, which is type in the text that you want to display when that happens. Practical application, go ahead and create a text content condition. There really isn't any extra information. This PowerPoint pretty much goes through exactly what we did in our video. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.